In today's video, I'm sharing something a bit more personal. I actually tried 5 different passive income ideas over the past year. Some worked, some didn't. And today, I'll break down exactly which ones made money and which ones were a complete waste of time. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll also share the one method that gave me the best return with the least effort. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it every day. It's not always easy in the beginning, but once it's set up, it can generate income even while you sleep. Now let's go over the 5 passive income ideas I tested and what I actually experienced with each one. 1. Print-on-demand store. The first passive income stream I tried was launching a print-on-demand shop. This involved designing t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and selling them through platforms like Redbubble and Teespring. I spent about 2 weeks designing and uploading products. The setup was easy, but getting consistent sales? Not so much. Unless you're great at design or marketing, it's hard to stand out. Verdict: low return, high competition. Needs better marketing to work well. 2. YouTube automation channel. Next, I tested launching a faceless YouTube channel using voiceovers and stock footage. I outsourced the scripting, editing, and thumbnails. It took about a month to build and upload 10 videos. Monetization took time, but after getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I was approved for ads. After 6 months, that channel now earns around $150 a month in ad revenue. 3. Dividend stock investing. I also tested dividend investing through a brokerage account. I bought reliable, dividend-paying stocks like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and AT&T. I invested $5,000 total and reinvested the dividends automatically. After 1 year, I've earned just under $160 in dividend income. It's not much, but it's consistent, stable, and 100% passive. 4. Selling digital products on Gumroad. For this one, I created digital templates, budget trackers, resume formats, and simple planners. I uploaded them to Gumroad and set up simple landing pages. The upfront work took 1 weekend. Once published, I promoted them on Pinterest and Reddit. To my surprise, I started getting a few sales per week. 5. Affiliate marketing through a blog. Finally, I tested affiliate marketing using a small blog I built on a free WordPress theme. I wrote helpful articles reviewing tools and services with affiliate links included. It took about 2 months to write 10 quality articles and get them indexed on Google. Traffic was slow at first, but it started picking up in month 3. By month 6, I earned $320 in affiliate commissions, all from organic search traffic. YouTube automation. Time delay, but very passive once monetized. Dividend stocks. Safe and passive, but requires a lot of capital to make big income. Affiliate blog. Mid-effort, solid passive stream if you get traffic. So which one worked best for me? Without a doubt, the digital product strategy through Gumroad. It required just a few hours to set up, and sales kept coming in with minimal promotion. That said, YouTube automation also showed huge potential, especially over the long run. And affiliate marketing continues to grow as traffic improves. You need a smart strategy, consistency, and a willingness to try new things. Now here's what I wish I knew before starting all of this. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. The setup takes time. Most of your success depends on choosing the right niche or audience. Don't give up in the first few months. Compounding results take time. You must diversify. Relying on one source is risky. Focus on assets that grow with time, not just trends that fade. Thank you for watching and for being part of this financial journey. If this video helped you understand what's actually working in the passive income world, give it a like to help others find it too. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss future breakdowns, tips, and real experiments in making money work for you. This channel is all about practical wealth building, and your support keeps it going. Until next time, remember this: passive income is possible. It's not fast. It's not effortless. But it is achievable, and it can change your life. Test, learn, repeat, and start building income that never sleeps. Let me know if you'd like this converted into a visual script with slide cues or formatted for a blog article post.